Hi dear beading friends, I'm Teddy, and in today's step-by-step easy tutorial I will show you how to create these elegant flowers earrings. Consider also checking my membership to get exclusive videos and patterns for the price of a latte. Click the join button. What I used for this video are three colors of 11 seed beads: silver, pink and red, earring findings, Fusionline that is very similar to the popular Fireline, size 11 beading needle and scissors. Okay guys, and I'm taking 1.5 meters of thread, which is 5 feet, and I also start with 12 silver beads. Okay, I'm going to slide those down. And what I want to do guys is to make a knot here. So I make a loop and I go twice through the loop I've made. I pull gently, making sure I'm not stacking any beads here inside the loop I created. And then I can do one more knot, just to be sure it's all tight and secure. And I pull. Then, my friends, I'm going through some beads in this direction. I'm taking 5 silver beads. I skip one bead that's on my way and I go through the following. I take 5 more and I repeat this. I skip one and I go through the next. Five again. Skip one, go like this, and I will repeat it 3 more times until the end. And pay attention here at the last step. I go through the very first silver bead where I started my whole row from. And then what I want to do is go through these 2 silver beads in this direction. I take 5 pink beads, I skip the central silver one and I go through the next. Just 1 silver and I go into this silver that is next to the one that's sticking out. It is the second silver counting from the center. Take 5 again. Skip the central one that is sticking out the most, the central of the 5 that we added at the previous step. Then just 1 silver, go in the same place next to the one that's sticking out. 5 pink beads guys, and skip one, just like this. Take just 1 silver, go into the second silver counting from the center, and repeat all of these guys until the end, absolutely the same way, 3 more times. Okay, 5. And by the way, if you want to see more absolutely free similar designs like this one I'm showing you now, it's a great idea to subscribe with the black bell, which means you accept to receive all the notifications for my channel. And This guarantees you that YouTube will send you notifications when I create a new design. Otherwise, you won't be informed all the time. Maybe sometimes you will be informed, sometimes not. This is because YouTube is promoting funny content and short videos and less tutorials, because this is what the majority of people are watching. But if you're interested in my work, this is a great way to go about it. Okay. Now, my friends, pay attention. In my next step, I'm going through these 2 pink beads. I take 5 pinks, I skip here the central one, go into the next, and I take a pink, a silver and a pink, and I go here into the second pink, just like this. Again, I need 5 pink beads. I skip here the central one, go into the next, take pink, silver, pink and go here into the following. I will be most grateful, guys, if you like and share my videos, but also leave me a comment, because in this way we can connect and get to know each other better. You can ask me anything you're interested in, even personal questions, I don't mind. So if you feel like it, just leave me a comment. Make sure I will see it and I will answer. And of course, if you want to see more exclusive content from me, you can join the membership. 12 video courses are waiting for you in the membership area, which are 60 tutorials in total, and I add 2 new videos for members each month. Members also get my latest and freshest 40 PDF beading patterns that they can download from my website. So when you join as member, you will get a link and a password in the top post of the membership area, and you can download them from there. And I add 2 new patterns as well each month, so you have content, new content weekly, and a lot of content to catch up with. All of these, guys, you get for the price of a latte. You can check the link in description and click on the join button below, and you will see what other perks you get. This is a great way to support me and to make sure you will see more of me, because I would like to become a full-time content creator, but I still couldn't, and I'm still on my full-time job, but my dream is to become a full-time content creator, so in this way you support my dream as well. Okay, my friends, now I'm exiting here in these 2 pink beads, and I want to take 5 red ones. I skip here the central one, and I go like this. Then I take 3 pink beads and I want to go into the silver one. Three more pink and go through this that is next to the one that's sticking out the most. 5 red, skip the central one and go like this. 3 pink ones and go here in the central silver. Again 3 pink beads and go into the second one of the 5 that you added the previous row, and you're exiting next to the one that is sticking out the most. 5 red ones, skip the central one like this and go into the next. And I will continue this, guys, absolutely the same way until the end of this row, and I'll meet you here for the last 3 pink beads. So it's 3 pink, 5 red, 3 pink, 3 pink, 5 red. Okay, if you forget how I'm doing it, you can always rewind and repeat these 3 steps here. Okay, friends, and now I'm here where I want to add my last 3 pink beads, just like that. Then I want to pass through all of those beads. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4. I take 3 red beads and I go into the central of the 3 pink that we added here. So 1, 2, 3, and this is the central one, the second one counting from here. Then I want to take 1 silver and go again into the central pink of the 3 we added the previous step. I want 3 red ones and I go into the second red here. 1, 2, this is the second. Then I pass through this one that's sticking out the most and the following. I take 3 red beads and I go into this pink. Take another silver and go into the middle pink one. 3 red, go into the second red, pass through 2 more, 3 red and go into the middle pink of the 3, 1 silver and go into the middle pink. And I will continue this until the end of this row absolutely the same way by adding 3 red beads from both sides here and 1 silver here in between. Okay, I'll finish this row off camera and I'll be back. If you forget how I'm doing it, just rewind and repeat this until the end and meet me. Okay, friends, and here I am at the last step. Then what I want to do is to pass like this through those next 3. I'm going to take 3 silver beads and I want to go through this one at the angle. 3 silvers, skip these 2 red ones and go into the third red. 3 silver beads, skip these 1, 2, 3 red beads and go into the next one. Don't pull too tight, just place them gently. Here I take 3 and I go through the silver. Okay. Then it is the same thing. 3 silver beads, skip 1, 2 and go into the third red. 3 silver, skip 1, 2, 3 and go into the fourth one. 3 silver, go into this one. 3 silver, 1, 2, go into the third. 3 silver, skip the next 3 on your way and go into the next one. Then go into the following silver, like that. And now guys, it's absolutely the same way. Add 3, 3 and 3 and repeat it for the next petals, and I'll meet you here at the last step. Okay friends, and here I am at the last step where I'm adding my last 3 beads. Now what I'm going to do is to go through these 3 here, like that. Then through the following 3. I want to take 2 silver ones and go into these top 3 beads. Again, don't pull tight, just gently place them like that. And go like that through these 3. 2 silvers, go into the top 3. 2 more silver beads, go like that. I will show you also the next petal, and I believe because it's super easy. It's just filling in the gaps with 2 beads. You will be able to continue by yourself until the end of this row. Okay, and I'll meet you here guys. Okay guys, and here I am at my last step where I'm adding my last 2 silver beads. And by the way, if you want, you can go around the edges one more time to reinforce your work. And now I'm going to take 5 silver beads, my earring finding, and 5 silver beads, and I'm going here through these 2 silvers, through the one that's in the center, just like this. Now my friends, I want to fit it like this. Okay, make sure that I have 5 from each side and pull. Then I'm going backwards to reinforce this joint here, just like that. And after I'm done reinforcing, guys, I want to find a place to make a knot. Let's say I will create a knot here between those 2 silver beads. I'm making a loop, I'm going twice through the loop I've made, pulling, then I'm going through some beads in this direction, and I'm cutting this thread. Okay friends, now my elegant flower seed beads earrings are ready. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and you want to see more absolutely free designs like this one, consider subscribing with the black bell to receive all the notifications when I create new video. You can also like, share and comment. In this way you inspire me for more tutorials. Consider also checking the membership that comes with exclusive videos and patterns each month for the price of a latte. All the perks see in the link in description and the join button. Now see you in the next video.